Both drivers are ready. In 3, 2, 1, fight. This match is for first place in Kilobots 59. These drivers have made their way through the brackets. They outlasted everyone else. And their last matchup was quite a driving battle. Totally seeming to have more traction in this match. Doing a good job of pushing. Oh, Darkness gets a hit. And another. Driving totally around. Totally righting itself. Oh, not quite. There we go. That's a neat move. Darkness pushing, not able to get underneath, and if he's not underneath, that weapon will not come in contact. Towards the hazard, but avoiding it, both of them. Good driving drivers. Ooh, a good pin in the corner with a little bit of weapon contact. And totally getting out of it. Trying to get back on his feet. Wheels, I guess. Totally is using, I believe, skateboard wheels? Yeah. Very shock absorbent. He can hit that hazard all he wants. And he does. Back down again. He just likes to wiggle his feet in the air once in a while. 1 minute left in this fight. I don't have any notes. This is just a great fight to watch. Both drivers doing very well. .30 seconds remaining. If there is no knockout or push out, this will come down to judges to decide who was more aggressive during the match, who had more control during the match, and if there's any damage done, who did more of the damage. 10 seconds remain. 7, 6, 5. Nice hit. 3, 2, 1. Weapons off and back to your corners. Excellent driving match, teams. An excellent way to end these finals, too. We will see what the judges think of that match. I enjoyed it. Deliberations, going over the whole match. It's not just the end, it's the whole match. Both robots still working. Looking like they'll be good to go for the rumbles that are coming up in 20 minutes. Your judges have decided the winner of this match and the winner of the Antweight Rookie Division, Darkness.